I'm Professor Helen Barefoot. I'm Deputy Director of the Learning and Teaching Innovation Centre, and I'm also the module leader for Teaching and Supporting Learning. And this is the module that we're teaching here with our colleagues at UH-GAF. It's been a real pleasure to work with colleagues here. We've been thinking about teaching approaches, the importance of how we facilitate student learning, how we use feedback to help that learning, and different technologies to facilitate the learning. The module is assessed, so the participants will do assessments, and then at the end of it they'll achieve Associate Fellowship of the Higher Education Academy. We also want to make sure that we take really good practice here and feed that back to the UK UH programmes.
Hello, my name is Karen Barton and I'm the Director of Learning and Teaching at the University of Hertfordshire. I'm really pleased that we've come out to visit GAF for the past few days. We've been teaching and working with our colleagues in various programmes to enhance learning and teaching practice. And I've also had the great pleasure of meeting the deans of the various schools within GAF and talking to them about learning and teaching and academic quality matters. And so it's been really helpful to hear their perspective on learning and teaching and to share the good practice that we have in Hertfordshire as well with them. So it's been really, really good to make those connections and build those relationships, and I really look forward to working with the staff going forward.
Hello, I'm Karen Clark. I'm Associate Director of Learning and Teaching. I've been working with Helen and Karen here, running the module, working with colleagues at this lovely campus. Actually, we've really enjoyed being shown around, seeing the facilities here and getting to know colleagues, working with them on the important aspect of continuing professional development. We've had a terrific time. Everyone's made us very, very welcome, and yeah, it's been really looking forward to exploring that relationship as we go back home and talk to colleagues about the experience we've had here. So yeah, thank you very much, Global Academic Foundation, for a great few days. Thank you.